नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज श्री रोहित शाह फ्रॉम किस्मत कनेक्शन। अगर आप कोई प्रॉपर्टी, घर, फ्लैट या कमर्शियल एस्टेब्लिशमेंट, अगर उसकी एंट्री मेन डोर साउथ वेस्ट में आता है तो दैट इज़ द वेरी बैड एंट्री। इन वास्तु वी कंसिडर साउथ वेस्ट एंट्री इज़ द वर्स्ट एंट्री वन कैन हैव. So if you are having entry of your premise from the Southwest Nairutya, then what can you do? Uh, there are two remedies that easily one can do. One is do the 3-inch yellow color kapatta on the umbra, on the base of the door, or if possible, then there's a brass strip, the metal strip. You can easily find it online. You can insert that strip between the tiles and you can block the entry. There is also the door blockers comes to block that negative energy coming from the Nairutya entry. So you can also try that. But these two which I recommend is the yellow color kapatta of 3-inch width का across the base, अपना जो उम्ब्रा बोलते हैं ना वहाँ पे, या तो येलो कलर का टेप या the third is the brass strip. So these three are easily one can do and block the southwest entrance. Try this and you will start seeing amazing results in your premise, either residential or commercial. I highly recommend कि अगर आपका एंट्री साउथ वेस्ट में है तो ये रेमेडी जरूर विदाउट अ डाउट फॉलो दिस. But make sure it's in the southwest and not between the south and southwest, or so one has to be very sure, because when we work on the Vastu, we work on the 32 entrances. So each entrance is of 11.25 degree. So one has to be very sure that the entry that falls in southwest is accurate. Try this and share your results. Friends, thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends so they can also benefit from this tip. Thank you very much. Sri Rohit Sir from Kismet Connection.